77 Honda.
Jack May Manotick. That's in a different province. Oh wait, no, Ontario. Sorry. 1983, May 20th. The salesman's name was Andy Duhame. Sold to Lorraine House. Dude! She's had this, she's a one-owner car. This is a one-owner car with the original fucking sales receipt from 1983.
Look at that.
Trade-in, 77 Honda Civic.
It's the sales contract, and it has everything about the trade and everything. The 77 Honda. And
Dude, if I had a 77 Honda, I would want to buy a Firebird too. Look at the price. I would $10,900.
Dude, look at the cover of that book.
Don't you wish you could? What?
Look at the cover of that.
What the fuck?
That's fucking dope.
That's amazing. I've never seen one of those. I'm a Firebird dick, and I've never seen one of those in my life. What the fuck's really going on?
That's sweet.
That's amazing. This shit just got real. I knew this car was cool, but I didn't know it was this cool. That's the original sales receipt. It feels like friggin' tracing paper. It feels so thin. Back then, they actually gave a shit about trees.
Yeah.
Wow. This is amazing.
I can't read any of that.
77 Honda. 77 Honda Civic. Wow, that'd be cool too, wouldn't it? This blows my mind, this book here.
It only had 1,000 miles on it when all this was done.
Oh yeah, dude.
And she has a bunch of other receipts for that.
I'm pretty sure a Firebird poker chip. Oh dude, look at all these Firebird accessories and stuff.
Phone.
Oh man, look at the new iPhone fucking 8 just came out. Oh my goodness. Holy shit, look at Firebird glasses. We get drunk on some Firebird shit.
Some Fireball on the Firebird glasses.
Oh yeah. Dude. Look at this dick. He's a Firebird dick big time.
Oh yeah, look at that. When I only had 1,050. Oh, that was done. That's freaking dope.
Door alignment. Door striker. Check the tapping noise.
This one here is from 1,500.
Clinking sounds. She's probably took it into the dealer when it was brand new.
Dude, look at that. Right here.
It's making noises.
Right here, it's only 500 kilometers more, and all that was done.
Huh.
500 kilometers after that one.
She must have been a picky bitch, or excuse my language, she must have been a picky lady. Firebird gifts. Oh my goodness, Firebird watches. Firebird fashion. Okay. I've never seen a book like this, ever. Friggin', that guy's like Tony Montana, probably. Oh, a Firebird money clip. Money clip with a knife. Money clip. What the frig? This is awesome. This is some of the coolest shit ever. Firebird leather gloves, perhaps. Fashion accessories. Wow.
This is awesome.
Look at me in my friggin' Firebird jacket from the 80s. Wow. Watch me turn the friggin' camera around on myself. Can you see my Firebird t-shirt? My Firebird fashion from the 80s. Oh, and I got the camera upside down. I look like this bitch here with her friggin' Firebird shirt on.